Assalamu alaikum, dedicated scholars and researchers. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we make learning engaging and inspiring. Today we are going to master the art of using footnotes, endnotes, and citations in MS Word. These tools are essential for creating well documented and professional academic papers. Ready to elevate your writing? Let's get started. First of all, section number 1, Introduction to Footnotes. What are footnotes? Footnotes are used to provide additional information or citations at the bottom of the page. They help keep the main text uncluttered while providing essential references or explanations. How to insert a footnote? To insert a footnote, place your cursor where you want the footnote to appear. Go to the References tab and click Insert Footnote. Word will automatically add a superscript number in the text and move your cursor to the bottom of the page where you can type footnote content. Write something here, footnote. Section number 2, Managing Footnotes. How to manage footnotes? You can easily manage your footnotes by navigating through them. Use the Next Footnote button. To format the footnote text, highlight it, go to the Home tab, change the font size, then change the font type. Properly formatted footnotes enhance the readability and professionalism of your document. Section number 3, Introduction to Endnotes. What are endnotes? Endnotes are similar to footnotes but appear at the end of the document or section. They are useful for keeping pages less cluttered, especially in documents with many citations. How to insert an endnote? To insert an endnote, place your cursor where you want the endnote to appear. Go to the References tab and click on Insert Endnote. Word will add a superscript number and move your cursor to the end of the document where you can type the endnote content. Write something here, endnote. Section number 4, Managing Endnotes. How to manage endnotes? Managing endnotes is similar to managing footnotes. Endnotes can also formatted by using the options in the Home tab. Click on the Home tab. First of all, highlight your text. Change the font size. Then change the font type. Consistent formatting of endnotes ensures a professional and polished look. Section number 5, Converting footnotes to endnotes and vice versa. How to convert footnotes to endnotes or vice versa? Sometimes you might need to convert footnotes to endnotes or vice versa. To do this, go to the References tab, click the small arrow in the footnote group. To open the footnote and endnote dialog box and select the conversion option. Then close it. This feature is handy for reorganizing your documents references as needed. Section number 6. Introduction to Citations and Bibliography. How to use citations? Citations are used to credit sources of information within the text and are often accompanied by a bibliography at the end of the document. How to insert a citation? To insert a citation, go to the References tab and click on Insert Citation and choose Add New Source. Fill in the details. First of all, write the author name, Kamal, title, lecture, year 2024, city Rawalpindi, publisher Shining Star, the citation will appear in the document. Section number 7. Managing Citations and Bibliography. How to manage citations? You can manage your citations using the Manage Sources button. Click on Manage Sources. Here you can edit, delete, or add new sources. First of all, delete the sources. Then add the new source. Fill the details. Author name, Maria. Title, 2000. Title, year, city name, ISB, publisher, Shining Star. Click on OK. Then close it. To insert a bibliography, place your cursor where you want it to appear. Go to the References tab and click Bibliography. Then choose a style. Word will automatically generate a bibliography based on your citations formatted according to the selected style. Section number 8, Customizing Citation Styles. How to change citation styles? MS Word supports various citation styles like APA, MLA, and Chicago. To change the citation style, go to the References tab and select your preferred style from the Style drop-down menu. Choosing the correct citation style ensures your document meets the required academic or professional standards. Let's find out our today's lecture on footnotes, endnotes, and citations in MS Word. These tools are essential for creating well documented and professional documents. Practice these skills to enhance the credibility and readability of your work. Thank you, everyone. Allah Hafiz.